Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to review something we found at Trader Joe's called Trader Joe's Barbeque Popped Ridges. Ridged potato and corn snacks seasoned with tangy barbecue.
this sounds delicious.
Sounds like a lot of processed mess to me, but let's see here. On the back, it says, where does chip become pop? And what's with the ridges? So much to share, so little space. Simply, these potato and corn snacks are heated in a high-pressure chamber until they pop, giving them their delightfully airy, crunchy texture. Blah, 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 ends with, so of course, ridges. Processed.
No,
Highly processed. We have 3 servings in this bag. This bag is 3 1/4 ounces. 3 servings, so basically that's 1 ounce, 16 pieces. The calories are 130. Total fat, 5 grams. If you're avoiding fat for cholesterol reasons, trust me, this is not going to affect you because it has 0 cholesterol in it. And the sodium, 200 milligrams. So if you're watching your salt, that's 9% of your daily value. Okay, I don't want to be a buzzkill.
you are.
I am a buzzkill when it comes to processed foods. I don't care what they say, but you know what, Tank? Let's give this a try.
Let me look at this. It says here in small text, not processed.
I've seen a lot of potatoes in my life. And
I got it.
you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, I
Good
got
job.
it.
You did it.
Ooh. Okay. Okay, so that's a picture of what they're supposed to look like.
And this is what they actually look like.
Go ahead, show them, Tank.
To be honest, this doesn't look like what's on that, but
From the looks of it, it looks like Ruffles. You know, Ruffles potato chips, if you like those. Anyway, let's have a taste. The first ingredient is dried potato. Second, degermed yellow cornmeal, sunflower oil and safflower oil, barbecue seasoning. Then it goes down. I'm going to let you go first for a change.
okay. I give these a 2. Okay. This is false advertising. They don't look that popped.
You thought it was going to be a puppy?
Yep. And second, I thought it was going to be softer than how it is, like a rice cake.
This looks kind of rice cake-ish. Look at that. There's a little bulge in the middle of it.
But
That's
these are hard.
Okay.
Like a tortilla chip.
Oh, okay.
I give it a 2.
You give it a 2. So 1 to 4. 4 meaning I will buy this again for my personal consumption. 1 meaning I will give it a hard pass when I see it. I'm going to give this a 1, but I'm going to give you a little bit reason why. It doesn't taste bad. It's good and it's a little addicting, and I can see this as if you're having some kind of full party or you know some kind of get together, and you want to have something that is on the spectrum, kind of healthy. I would put this out for others, but for my own personal consumption, I would give this a 1. I would give this a 1. I wouldn't buy this again if next time I go to the store and I'm looking for, like I said, if I want chips, I get chips. Right? All this hybrid stuff is just, you going for it again?
No, I'm just getting another taste.
The hybrid stuff I know where they're going with this. And let's see, is there anything on here about gluten-free or anything? I mean, oh yeah, it's gluten-free. So you have a lot of people who are on the gluten-free kick for medical reasons and whatnot. And so they're looking for something, but I mean, regular potato chips are gluten-free. I'm sorry. Sorry, Trader Joe's. Good try. Like I said, I will buy this if I'm going to some party, big if, and I want to give them something different.
Some nastiness.
Not nasty. I'm saying it's not nasty. It's just that for my personal consumption, no. If we were in the store, would you want me to pick this up?
No.
No, you would rather me pick up the bootleg Takis. Bootleg Takis, yes. There's other things that are a little bit more, okay, anyway, so that's it. I don't remember how much this cost. I think it might have been around
it was like $4.
No, it wasn't. No. Not Trader Joe's prices for a bag of chips. No, this is like around the $2 to $3 range. So, I mean, if you're interested, go and check it out. It's not that expensive, but as he's going for it, I think that 2 is going to rise up to like a 3 or a 4. No? No. All right. Well, fooled me. Anyway, if you like what you saw, here, you can have my chip. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And
if you like good tasting chips, subscribe to my channel. Not hers, mine. Tankmanjoe on YouTube. I post very infrequently, but please subscribe.
Infrequently.
Same thing.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, okay. Thanks. Until next time.